Hello everyone, you have to tie the hairs on the sides and the top like this and then rotate it from the between. Keep rotating the hairs as shown in the video from the between like this. After tying it, we will join the hairs, pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as shown in the video. Pull it carefully as we are doing here. Follow the same step for the other sides. Pull out the hairs carefully. Now join the hairs together by tying a rubber band like this. After that, we will take all the hairs and make the plaits on the hairs like this. Fix it by making the plaits. Tie the hairs and then we will fold it upward, otherwise you can leave it as it is. So here we are folding it to make a bun. Roll it and put the bun pin to fix the hairs, and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we will tie the ponytails on the sides. Now join the small sections taking from it at the back like this. So take these small sections like this and take it on the back and then zigzag it and then join it one by one by making a cross. Fix it carefully till the end of the hairs like this. Join it by taking very small sections and it will give a look like a zigzag way. Take the lining effects on the hairs like this. Join it till the end. Now after that, we will take it till the end like this. Join the hairs by making the plaits on it. Fix it till the end. Now again take small sections from the sides, tie it on the back and fix the hairs like this. Put the hairpin and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the hairstyle. For that, we have to make a ponytail and divide the hairs from the between like this. Tie it using a rubber band. After tying it, we will rotate the hairs from the between by making a space. Fold out the hairs and fix it on the top in the shape of a bow and put the rubber band over it like this. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Take the upper part of the hairs, divide it into three sections and make the plaits on it like this. Tie it tightly till the end as shown in the video. Fix it and then we will take the downside of the hairs and again we will fix it again. Roll it upward and fold it upward and fix it using the bun pins on the top. Now take rest of the hairs, fix it by dividing them into two parts, make the plaits on it and fold it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back using the rubber band like this. After tying it, we will take the hairs as shown in the video. Now join it on the back like this. Now take the rubber bands and fix it as we are doing here. Now again, we will repeat the process for a few more times. Then fix the hairs into each other. Now you can repeat the process, otherwise you can tie all the hairs together as shown in the video. Now divide it from the between and then fold it upward like this. Fix the hairs carefully and then tie it on the top and then roll it down like this. Fix it and then tie the hairs using the hair bun pins and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.